This is a 46 piler job on a farm just outside Alderley Edge, and we're piling for a new farmhouse building. And looking at the size of the project, it's going to be quite a substantial build. And today the piles have all gone in. The piles went in before the ground like froze solid. It's actually frozen solid ground. Can you pile when it's frozen like this? No.
No, the piles won't drive into the ground if it's too hard.
Yeah, so thankfully we've got that done last week. The efficiency of the team of Jaden, Zach and Danny last week meant that this week put the cages in, and then next week, or maybe later this week, if the ground thaws out, we can concrete it and finish the job. To be honest, when the lads are caging, it's quite boring, to be fair. They are just putting cages in trenches and then splicing them together. It's the least interesting and visually exciting part of the job, I suppose. I actually don't capture caging that much. I stick to the piling and concreting. It's the most interesting part of the job. Okay, left the site, and thank goodness actually, because it wasn't pleasant. It was like -3, -5 degrees. It's still -2 here where I am now in Cheadle. I'm just outside Minuteman Press to pick up some Christmas cards that we've had done. Hey, if the lads think they've got it hard, try designing and picking up a Christmas card from a print shop. Here we go. What have we got here? Wow. Rhino ho ho. And this is why I get paid the big bucks at Rhino, to come up with innovative designs like this. Would you buy piling off a company who sent you a card that said Rhino ho ho on it?
Yeah, I'd be thrilled.
So I'm back at Rhino HQ, and very exciting things happening behind me. If you see over my shoulder there, that blank square that has been adorning, I think that's the right word, the front of our building since we moved in, is now going to be finally working for us. We've got Rhino Events, who used to own the building. We bought the building from Rhino Events a couple of months ago. They've turned up to install our brand new signage. So the front sign is going to be just our Rhino R, which was designed for us by Neve Creative, and there's a sign on the side as well that's just going to hopefully direct people to the building. Right, so that's it. Signage is up, and there can be no doubt now who is in this building. We're not going to get people ringing us up. Where are you? Can't find you. With the sign on the side and this one on the front, this is definitely Rhino's building. We've owned the building for a couple of months now, but now it feels like we're finally in it. It finally feels like it's ours, and we can move on from here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.